Hi everybody, here is my 1995 Windemere 14-inch rotating louver box fan. I bought this off Facebook Marketplace last summer for 10 bucks. It has 3 speeds and the grill rotates electronically by an electric motor instead of having the little knob on the front to control how fast the grill spins. So here's the top, has 3 speeds, push button, and the little thing for it to rotate. So I'm going to spin this around so you can see the back. Okay, it's going to have to sit like that. Here's the tag there. Can't barely see it, but yeah. I'm going to spin this back around. It also has the cord hook, cord wrap on the back too, to wrap the cord up. So we're going to start this off on low. And it kind of takes a little while to spin up. I don't know why. My battery's going dead on my camera because it's not fully charged. Just let that be steady for a while. Throws a lot of air too. Here's medium. And high. I'm gonna let the grill rotate. Medium rotation. And low rotation. And turn the rotation off and spin down. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.